Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on this gear at the top right corner. Then adjust all of those options however you want to, like recording mode. And when you finished, click on the back button. Now to start recording, click on this red button on the left. If you never used Recorder before, make sure to select Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same left button. To end it and save it though, click on the right one instead. Now you can name your recording however you wish to. And click on Save in the pop-up. To access list of all your recordings, click on this left button with couple of lines. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. To delete it, you need to hold it instead. Tap on this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!